Great new news for Copilot. 4 things. Back to the ribbon. Planning mode. Personalization, that's huge. And Opus 4.8. All of Office has the new dynamic action button with this Copilot icon floating over the grid in the lower right. That might be fine in Word and PowerPoint where there's nothing down there, but we have numbers down there. Now, at first when they gave us this, we could right-click and dock, but that's still overriding part of our numbers. We now have move to ribbon, and it goes back to the Home tab where it belongs. Thanks, Microsoft. You actually listened. That's really, really good. Opus 4.8 was released last week, and it's already in Excel. This is awesome. No waiting. I love it. We have this new thing called Plan Mode. Come up with a plan before editing. Don't make any changes to my workbook till we talk about this. I have a longer video on this that I'll release in a couple of days, but the one that I'm really happy about here under settings is personalization. This is where you can add details about how you like Copilot to tailor its responses and work in Excel. The things that you never wanted to do. For example, we can say something like never merge cells. If you have to center a heading, you can use center cross selection instead. Never use red in any charts. My manager says red should only be used to indicate a loss. Things like that. Click Save. And then in another workbook, when we go into Copilot and personalization, yes, it is global across all of my workbooks. I never have to remember to type these instructions again. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful new feature, Microsoft. Thanks to the Excel team for this. Well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.